Hello everyone, and welcome to my Blender Geometry Nodes course. Are you ready to embark on an amazing journey in the world of Blender Geometry Nodes? This course is a treasure trove designed for anyone who loves visual and intuitive learning, constantly updated and set to empower your career. As you grasp node-based system, you'll gain an unparalleled advantage not just in Blender, but in other software that operates on similar principles. Unleash your imagination, multiply your productivity, and make a difference in the 3D world with the limitless potential of geometry nodes. Take your place in this journey that makes the complex simple and the impossible possible. By taking this course, you'll gain a perpetually accessible knowledge resource that will be updated with every new version. Additionally, you'll receive a certificate that you can use in your professional life, and you'll acquire a valuable skill set that will significantly strengthen your CV. In this course, we'll dive deep into every single node within Blender Geometry Node Editor. We'll explore what each input and output does, their common uses, and discover creative application ideas. I designed this course because I wanted to create an encyclopedia-like resource for anyone who wants to learn geometry nodes but finds it intimidating. The entire course content is structured for learning and student centricity, learning with the easiest commands and gradually building upon that knowledge step by step. The content of this course is designed to benefit everyone, whether you're the complete beginner or a seasoned professional. You can be confident that there is a wealth of knowledge to learn here. Furthermore, you can easily get in touch with me, our editors, or our moderators via the messaging section, the course, Q&A section, or our Discord server, currently in preparation. By staying in touch, we can keep learning fun. You can also connect with other designers to form collaborative projects or expand your professional network. Don't waste any more time. By acquiring this unique work, secure your place in the future of 3D design. Push the boundaries of your creativity, make the impossible possible, and quickly stand out in the industry.